What's going on, guys? This is Paul Stackhouse with my lead gen secret review. To go over my lead gen secret and show you how it's working and show you some of the results I've been getting. So let's sign in. Let's see. Log in. Right. So you get 100 leads a day. And let's look at my leads. I just got my other 100 leads today, the 31st. I got this on the 27th, and like I said, get 100 leads every day. This is powerful, definitely powerful. And the open rate is crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's better than even solo ads and everything. And it just works, people. I don't know what to say about it, but it definitely works. So just looking at some of the emails I sent, and the open rates are amazing. And you could do any opportunities and definitely get great commission with this. Definitely. I mean, get 100 leads a day. Who don't want 100 leads every day? You know what I'm saying? To promote your product or whatever your business, online business that you promote, and just start getting ranking in sales. So I'm definitely loving this. It has worked wonders for me and my business. So I encourage you to get up on this quickly, because you definitely will get a lot of sales with this. You're getting high targeted quality leads. I mean, every day. Getting leads every day, as you see here. All these leads, number leads. You know what I'm saying? All these leads. This is money. I see it as money right here. Because I promote to all these leads, and I'm making sales, guys. Definitely making sales. So with that being said, I encourage you to get this My Lead Gen secret and watch your business start booming. Definitely. I'll leave the link down below, so you can definitely get in on this. You definitely don't want to miss out, because you get leads every day. So you promote to 5, 6, 7, 800 people. As leads come in, you could just promote your business to all your leads. So whatever you have, business you have, whether it's e-commerce, affiliate marketing, drop shipping, whatever it is, you have people that's going to buy or to look into your business. So with that being said, leave the link down below. I encourage you to get this and watch. Your business is going to start booming. This is Paul Stackhouse. Thank you, and I'm out. Peace.